Hello everyone, welcome back to An Italian in My Kitchen. I am Erica, and tonight some family friends are coming over. So I thought that I could make a delicious Italian cake, a mascarpone cake, with a raspberry sauce drizzled on top. It just sounds amazing, and after a taste test, I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste delicious. This cake is moist thanks to that mascarpone cream, and the raspberry sauce just gives it that sweetness and freshness that we love that comes from fruit. So who's ready to go make this cake? I am. So we're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, and then grease and flour or spray, just like I did, a 9 to 10 inches bun pan. We're going to start by taking a large bowl, and in this bowl we're going to add 3 eggs at room temperature and 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. And we'll beat this all together until light and fluffy for about 5 minutes. Then add half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of mascarpone at room temperature. So just let it sit about 30 minutes outside the fridge before you use it. And half a cup of vegetable oil. And we'll beat again just to combine. And now we're going to sift in 1.5 cup of pastry flour or cake flour, 1.5 cups of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. And add everything into the wet ingredient. And we'll beat everything together again for about 2 minutes until it's nice and smooth. Then take your prepared pan, which I have right here, and we'll transfer our cake batter into our pan. Then just clean off the sides of the cake, spread it so it's all even. And all is left to do now is to bake the cake. So we're going to leave it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the top of the cake comes out clean or with just a few crumbs attached. So I'll see you when it's done. Now we're just going to let it cool, and then we'll take it out of the pan and dust it with some powdered sugar, and we'll finish it off serving it with a delicious raspberry cream. While we're waiting for our cake to cool down, we're going to make our raspberry cream, and to make that we're going to need a medium bowl, and we're going to add 3/4 cups of fresh raspberries into this medium bowl and squish them with a fork. And then add 1 cup of whipping cream and 1.5 tablespoons of icing sugar or powdered sugar. And we'll beat this all together until it's nice and thick. And here we have our raspberry cream already. If you're not using it right away, just refrigerate it and then take it out when you're ready to serve it with your cake. Or if your cake is ready and you want to serve it, just go ahead and put some of the cream on top of your cake. Okay, and here we have our cake. Look at that. Our moist mascarpone cake topped with delicious raspberry cream. Doesn't it look just so pretty? I love the color of the cream that becomes pink thanks to the raspberries. It's just so pretty, and it goes so well with this mascarpone cake. It smells amazing, and it feels very moist, so I'm sure when we cut into it, it's gonna just fall apart so nicely. So let's try. Oh, yeah, it's very easy to cut. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Buon appetito. Wow. Sometimes I need a few seconds just to get hit with the flavor, process what's going on in my mouth with all the flavors before talking about it. This was instant. It was amazing. You get that raspberry whipping cream right away, so that sweetness, plus the mascarpone cake that is so moist and so soft that it just kind of melts all together in your mouth. All the flavors are just mixed together right away, and you just get hit with this flavor, and it's really delicious. I think that it's super sweet, but it's not. A really good balanced cake, and it's also very fresh. It has the freshness factor thanks to the raspberry and cream. It feels very light, which is the perfect combo for me. It's perfect for this time of year because in the summertime, that's exactly what you would want. You would want something that's light and fresh. Yeah, I think this one will be a hit tonight. So I hope you enjoy this cake as much as I did making it for you and testing it. And as always, if you make it, let me know in the comment section below what you thought of it, if you have any questions. And you'll find all the ingredients, measurements, and links in the description box below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!